Hello students, I'm happy to announce the result of IOQM exam, which is Indian Olympiad Qualifier for Mathematics. Now this was new this year for all the Olympiad aspirants. Till last year, there were 4 stages of the exam. The first stage was pre-RMO, in which students of the school participated. The second stage was RMO, in which the students who qualified the first stage participated on the state level. The third stage was called INMO, which students from the entire country participated. In this exam, more than 1 lakh students appeared. Whereas one of our students, Ashank Mittal, he went ahead and scored 64 marks. Isn't it amazing? अगर आपका सपना या आपका मंजिल भी ओलंपियाड एग्जाम को क्लियर करना है तो वेदांतु के साथ एनरोल कीजिए by clicking the link which is given in the description and become a Vedan and with us clear this examination confidently.